Hello everyone. Welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, let's learn how we can integrate Automation Anywhere Copilot Business User into your Salesforce application. Why? Because the Salesforce is one of the highly utilized application in most of the companies nowadays. If we integrate Automation Anywhere Copilot inside your Salesforce, then it will be very easy for your business users or an SMEs to come every day and run your bots very easily. And Automation Anywhere is having a flexibility to integrate in any of the SaaS based applications like Salesforce, ServiceNow, or your own websites. Let's see how we can integrate this very easily in this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Before integrating a Copilot into Salesforce, we have to set up a business user for Copilot. To set this license, I would recommend please go to Automation Anywhere document portal and search just Automation Anywhere Copilot. You will see the step-by-step procedure how you can set a particular role for the business user. If you're having any trouble to set up, please contact Automation Anywhere support team or always you can ping me for a help. Once your Automation Anywhere Copilot for Business User license and the role is set, the second step is to add your control room URL into trusted site of your Salesforce. To add that, just go and copy your control room URL and come to your Salesforce, click Setup, and you can click on the Setup. So once you will go inside the setup of your Salesforce, in the quick find, just find trust URL. So once you find a trusted URL, just click on that link and you will have an option to add a new trusted URL and just add a name, Automation Anywhere, and add your control room URL. The same way you have to do it for your dev, test, and production environment in the different environment of your Salesforce. And after that, make sure the CSP content is all and you have to choose the content source, front source, as well as the frame source as enabled. And if you need images, you can keep it as an image enabled. But in this case, I'm just taking only these three and just save it. So all set. So now your Salesforce will recognize your control room as one of the trusted site. Once after this, we have to create a Salesforce Lightning app. To create that, I have already given a source code in my video description. The same code, whatever you are seeing right now, the same code is in the description. Just copy and keep it in your notepad. So now here you have to just replace a source, which is your control room URL till digital. And after replacing your control room URL, I would recommend just copy this particular source code and come to your Salesforce application and click on this setup and go to developer console. If you're not having a developer console access, I would recommend please contact your Salesforce admin team or a development team. Just give them this particular URL or a source code to them so that it will be very easy to set up inside the Salesforce. So once after that, you have to click on the file, come to new, and in the new, just choose Lightning component. Once you click on the Lightning component, just give a name, Automation Anywhere, and you can just click submit. And here inside this, just replace whatever you have a source code with your control room URL and save this particular component. Done. So just close this and now just decide where you want to keep a Copilot screen inside your Salesforce application. Just imagine I need a Copilot screen in the right hand side of the leads section. To do that, just click on a setup and go to edit page. Once you go inside the edit page, you will have the privileges to set a design for a Salesforce page. If you're not having access to do this activity, I would recommend please contact your client side Salesforce admin or a development team so that they can easily set up this for you. So now, as we already created a Copilot function, if you go to the custom all the way to bottom, so here you can see automation anywhere. Just to drag this and keep it where you want in this particular page. So let me just drag and keep it here. That's it. So once you added a automation anywhere Copilot, you can see now it's showing in the preview. The same thing if you want to show it inside the real time, just to save this and click on activate and just close it. Once this is done, just go back to your normal Salesforce dashboard. Once this is refreshed, you can see now Automation Anywhere Copilot screen inside your Salesforce. The same thing will be reflect for your all the leads which is created or in the future whatever the business users will create. Example, let's go to the Alex lead and you can see now the Salesforce with Automation Anywhere Copilot in each and every lead section. The same thing you can do in any of the Salesforce page very easily with this technique. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. If you're having any trouble to set up a Salesforce account or Salesforce for Copilot, please feel free to contact us or you can always reach out to Automation Anywhere support team. Happy learning. Go be great.